Hi, I'm Lainey Draper, Instructional Designer for eSale. In this video, I'm going to take you through the 3 simple steps of cleaning up your dashboard. Step 1 is to select all courses. Click on the courses icon on your global navigation menu to the left. Once that courses menu pops up, select all courses from the bottom of the menu. This will show you all of the courses that you are a part of. Step 2 is to click on the star icon for each course you want to display on your dashboard. If you notice, there's already stars here filled in with orange. Those are the ones that are now displayed on the dashboard. If I want to remove some of those from the dashboard, I simply click them again to deselect them. Once I have all the courses that I want on my dashboard selected, I can move on to step 3 and go back to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard icon on my global navigation menu on the left. And that is the final step of cleaning up your dashboard. Thank you.